My name is Martin Heinze. This is Lasse Nielsen, and we started RackBuddy in 2013.
Basically, we sell clothing racks, and the thought about it was Martin had to he bought a new house, and we had to make some changes in the wardrobe, and that's where it all started. We wanted to make a solution that could last, and we didn't think there were any custom solutions out there that was easy to work with. So we made our own wardrobe, and from that, and we started making some racks, and from the enthusiasm from our friends and stuff, we could see the idea of selling it online.
We think that getting things done are one of the most important things, because we all have a lot of ideas that we discuss, but to take the good ideas and do something about them, that is the most important thing.
The biggest challenges for us, I think, was this whole new thing that there's a lot of things starting up that you have to take care of. And when you're only two, there's a lot of tasks coming on that you haven't thought about. So I think that's one of the most challenging things, that you have to have an opinion about a lot of stuff that you actually don't know anything about. Social media has been a pretty good way for us. We try to get all the customers to be a part of RackBuddy, and our product is a lot of create your own, create, build, make it yours. And we made a hashtag called MyRackBuddy, so that the customers can win back their rack by posting a cool picture of the rack, and by that way we can use a lot of that footage to show the whole universe of RackBuddy. We also do a lot of collaboration with the different influencers. We find people that work good with our brand, and try to see how they can create a RackBuddy universe. And in that way, we often get a lot of cool stuff that we haven't thought about that we can use in our marketing.
We get a lot of orders out, and we have a lot of nice customers who call us and want to buy our products and that kind of stuff. That's a nice day. One of the main things that we have discovered is the work with social media, Instagram and Facebook. There's been a larger use of that by us. I believe in hard work. Of course, you need to have some kind of product that works.
If you put a lot of enough hours in it, and you want it enough, some result will come out of it, and you'll learn from it, either if it's a success or not. I think the whole entrepreneur wave that's been around in Denmark has been very inspiring for us. We speak with friends and hear their stories and get inspiration from what they're doing.
I think it's important to take all the ideas that you have and then get it done.
Do one thing at a time.
Yeah, it's actually difficult to have a lot of ideas and then start from the beginning, and how do we do that? That's very important when you start a new company.
We've learned a lot from our mistakes, so I wouldn't be without them. Of course, you can look back and say maybe that product I wouldn't have done like that, or decisions, but I think everything that's happened has made the thing that we've come to this point today.
We try to create a lot of cool pictures and to get this RackBuddy universe, because there's 1,000 different ways that you can have your RackBuddy in your apartment or in your home, and it's very important for us to show that and then inspire each other, and so getting a lot of cool pictures, not only from photo shoots but also from our customers.
But the cool thing is also if you create cool content, it's easier to get in magazines and it's easier to get spread out. People will use your content. One of the big reasons that we use Clearhaus is maybe the transparency of the product, because there's nothing hidden in the writings, and for us that need to take care of a lot of things, it's very important for us that the payment part is easy. It's also very important for us to have an acquirer that can handle abroad transitions. We have a lot of customers in all over Europe and a lot of different payment methods.